and collective effort, Andhra Pradesh can be a key contributor in driving the nation's aspirations of becoming Viksit Bharat by 2047 towards becoming one of the most developed states in the country by 2047, marking 100 years of independence of the nation. My government has already launched 22 new policies in the state. The state has witnessed an encouraging beginning for the long-term vision aspirations of achieving 50% growth rate towards Swarna Andhra at 2047. As per the first advance estimates of 2024-25, Andhra Pradesh state economy has grown at 12.94% in nominal terms, with a size of 16 lakh crore with per capita income of 2.68 lakhs per person. The agriculture and allied industries and services sectors have registered growth rate of 15.86%, 6.71% and 11.70% respectively. India, celebrating 76 years as a republic, reflects on its remarkable transformational journey. The 1991 economic reforms served as a pivotal turning point, propelling the nation towards a progressive future. In 1995, a state-level IT-driven transformation initiated by visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu for combined Andhra Pradesh brought about structural reforms that completely reshaped the state's landscape. This forward-thinking approach yielded significant results, establishing the state as a hub of innovation and development. Building on this legacy, the same momentum and spirit must now be directed towards achieving the vision of Swarna Andhra at 2047, driving growth and prosperity with renewed vigor and a commitment to progress. The brand value of Andhra Pradesh is being restored, and it was evident during the recent World Economic Summit at Davos. We have witnessed an increased interest to be part of the growth story of Andhra Pradesh. In this journey of making Andhra Pradesh a pioneer in welfare and development, it requires everyone to come together with wholehearted support and involvement to make this a shared journey of individual and collective progress towards the goal of healthy, wealthy and happy Andhra Pradesh. Under the NDA-led government, I am confident that Swarna Andhra at 2047 vision becomes a reality. I would like